What's up guys, today you'll take a look at the best motorcycle gloves you can buy right now. We'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. We have spent a couple of hours researching it. To see the most up-to-date prices, you can check out the links in the description below. Before we start, I have a question for you. Which gloves are you using right now? And what is your opinion on them? Let me know in the comments. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Fox Racing Dirtpaw Gloves. Full comfort, superior airflow, and value for money. The Dirtpaw gloves from Fox Racing are ideal for anyone looking for budget MX gloves. These dirt racing gloves will perform really well in extreme off-road conditions, but they won't hurt your wallet. If the fabric is important to you, then you don't need to worry. The Fox Racing Dirtpaw are well known as some of the best performing gloves in terms of comfort and flexibility. They feature a high-quality stretch polyester construction that is strong and comfy. The palm areas are padded with a single layer of Clarino fabric, which is a soft and washable material with breathability comparable to natural leather. To ensure proper fit and security, Fox has equipped these gloves with a compression molded neoprene cuff and a hook and loop wrist closure. Thanks to this feature, it will be super easy to put them on, or take them off your hands. Thanks to the stretch mesh panels on finger gussets, the Fox Racing Dirtpaw will keep your hands cool and dry even if you sweat a lot on your dirt bike. So, you can ride comfortably on the track in hot weather. Oh yeah, there's one more thing. These gloves have silicone prints at fingertips and they are touchscreen compatible, so you don't have to take them off if you want to read a text message or make a phone call. As you can see, the Fox Racing Dirtpaw gloves absolutely deserve to be on this list. In my opinion, there is nothing better in this price range and category. For around $25, these gloves have a lot of features to offer and you simply can't go wrong with them. Pros: high dexterity, maximum comfort and airflow, synthetic leather palm, touchscreen compatibility, very affordable. Cons: not suitable for cold weather. Number 4. Alpinestars SP8 V2 Motorcycle Gloves. The Alpinestars SP8 V2 are top-level street crash protection motorcycle gloves that are made from premium full-grain cowhide leather, which makes them thick and strong for superior performance. Alpinestars did an excellent job when they designed the SP8 V2 leather gloves that are made for everyday street use, but they can easily compete on any track. The Alpinestars SP8 V2 are certified full gauntlet gloves that look like track racing gloves. However, they are very comfortable and can be worn as regular commuting gloves. The cowhide leather makes them extremely strong yet lightweight, and the perforated leather cuffs with finger sidewalls ensure excellent ventilation in hot weather. Additionally, the cowhide leather has natural breathing properties to ensure maximum breathability. The gloves also feature high-quality suede palm and foam padding reinforcements to protect your hands and to provide abrasion resistance in key impact areas in the event of a crash. The Alpinestars SP8 V2 are equipped with a touchscreen-compatible fingertip, which will let you control your smartphone or GPS navigation without taking the gloves off. The cuff closure has a durable Velcro brand fastener and its elastic wrist design will provide a secure, personalized fit. Thanks to the ergonomic stretch insert between the palm and thumb, the gloves are extremely flexible. They will give you wide range of hand movements and offer great sensitivity while operating your throttle, brake, and clutch. Another thing I like about the SP8 V2 gloves is their innovative microfiber grip insert that is strategically positioned on the palm and thumb area. This ensures excellent grip, better control and improved durability. Overall, I can tell you that after reviewing the Alpinestars SP8 V2 leather motorcycle gloves, they will not only provide ultimate protection around the street or track, but their superior fit and comfort level will give you perfect control over the throttle to maintain speed and lap time. None of the others will provide this many features in this price range. I know they are a little costly, but what you're getting will not only prevent hand or wrist injury during a crash, but it will also increase your confidence and improve your performance while riding a motorcycle. Pros: certified, premium cowhide leather, high abrasion resistance, touchscreen compatible fingertip, ergonomic scratch insert. Cons: fingers are too long, Number 3. Fox Racing Bomber Gloves. While riding off-road, your hands are valuable assets and you need to protect them. The Fox Racing Bomber-esque gloves may seem cheap, but they are some of the best off-road motorcycle gloves you can ever get. As we know that off-road motorcycling is totally different from street riding and track racing. Dirt bike riders don't always require speed but a perfect balance between control and speed. Plus, they also face dirt, mud, rain, and sometimes harsh weather. The off-road/dirt bike bomber-esque gloves by Fox Racing have been developed with the highest level of comfort. They provide excellent durability and protection from the end of the fingers to the cuff area, which means that you can keep your wrists safe from heavy impacts. They have a long neoprene cuff with a hook and loop wrist closure that ensures your wrists will be safe during an impact with the ground. The molded plastic protectors covering the knuckle and finger areas will give you protection in case of a crash. This additional armor for the knuckles and fingers also offers abrasion resistance. The Fox Racing Bomber-esque gloves are made from leather, which provides natural crash protection and maximum airflow to the rider. They will allow a firm grip on the throttle and the freedom to change gears without any problem. Moreover, their breathable property will not let your hands become sweaty. These gloves also have a double-layer Clarino palm with an extended barrier that not only protects your palm area, but also offers a perfect fit to strengthen your grip as well as control your motorcycle while increasing speed. Pros: leather palm, high abrasion resistance, breathable holes, good value for money. Cons: less weather protection. Number 2. Dainese Blackjack Motorcycle Gloves. The Dainese Blackjack are retro-themed summer motorcycle riding gloves that are made from goatskin leather, which is quite good when it comes to the mild abrasion resistance. But I would recommend that you don't count on them for absolute protection since they don't have special padding like gauntlet gloves or off-road gloves, only elastic inserts and leather reinforcement in the palm area. Despite this, the Dainese Blackjack gloves are quite popular among cafe racers and classic biker communities. The Dainese Blackjack gloves don't have the accordion material but do have the same elastic material with the pre-curved fingers that offer you a tight grip and a level of comfort that allows you to ride for long hours. These short-cuffed motorcycle gloves come with the Velcro closure mechanism that makes them easy to tighten on the wrist when needed. Anyway, the major concern is the level of airflow and breathability. In this case, the Dainese Blackjack gloves come with the front opening and porous fingers that allow cool air to pass through the gloves to your hands. The gloves provide a decent amount of airflow but only to a certain point. So, even though the Dainese Blackjack gloves are classified as summer motorcycle gloves, I would still suggest you consider other options since you don't want to ride on a hot, sunny day with sweaty hands. Also, do not compare the airflow level of the Dainese Blackjack leather motorcycle gloves with other mesh motorcycle gloves. The Dainese Blackjack gloves are all about style, but they won't disappoint in some other aspects either. After reviewing all the features, I can say that these are some of the best looking classic motorcycle gloves with good comfort, low protection, and average airflow. It's all up to you whether you want to go with the fashionable, classic-style motorcycle gloves or the gloves that also add some level of protection to your ride. Pros: stylish retro design, goatskin leather, pre-curved fingers, Velcro closure mechanism. Cons: low protection. Number 1. Joe Rocket Windchill Motorcycle Gloves. We all know for a fact that winter riding conditions are not very easy. On the contrary, it is very difficult to ride in cold and wet climates, especially for those living in northern areas. They have to suffer every day when they go out of their homes. But the Joe Rocket Windchill gloves are ideal for touring motorcyclists who go on adventure trips where they face all kinds of weather. The outer part of the gloves is constructed from a supple drum-dyed cowhide and there is a lot of leather reinforcements all throughout the body. This type of material ensures very good abrasion resistance and phenomenal wind protection. The full flex expansion panels on fingers will provide excellent fit and high flexibility. The Joe Rocket Windchill gloves feature a 100G insulate thermal lining that will keep your hands warm even in freezing temperatures. On top of that, the gloves also come with a Dry-Tech midliner, which makes them waterproof. Protection is the key factor in the Joe Rocket Windchill gloves and thanks to their integrated high-density knuckle armor, Your hand will remain safe while riding your bike. Despite the insulation and extreme safety standards, Joe Rocket didn't compromise on comfort and fit on these gloves. In fact, the pre-curved design makes them as comfortable as regular summer motorcycle gloves. But, not only that, they even come with a vibration-dissipating gel palm, which means less pain and improved comfort in tough terrain. The Joe Rocket Windchill offer no ventilation whatsoever, but this has to be expected from a pair of waterproof cold weather motorcycle gloves. So, if you want to use them in higher temperatures, these will be a bad choice for you. Additionally, because of their bulkiness, the gloves might seem too hard and tight when you put them on. Therefore, it is recommended to select a larger size than you would normally wear. Pros: 100G insulate thermal lining, high-density knuckle armor, pre-curved design, waterproof dry-tech midliner. Cons: no ventilation.
If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on this video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel.